The 500 kVA 3-phase pad-mounted transformer, delivered to the USA in 2024, is manufactured to meet IEEE SDDC 57, 12, 34-2022, and DOE 2016 efficiency standards. Operating at 60 Hz, it features a primary voltage of 24 kV and a secondary voltage of 48 ohg die to 177 Vth a DIN 1 vector group. The transformer uses copper windings and NAN cooling, filled with FR3 natural ester oil for improved fire safety and environmental compliance. It includes loop feed capability, dead front access, and a no-load tap changer with a 2 to 0.5% voltage adjustment range, with an impedance of 5.75%, no load loss of 0.61 kW, and on-load loss of 4.53 kW. This unit delivers efficient and reliable medium voltage power distribution. It is ideal for use in commercial complexes, small industrial sites, and residential developments where safe, consistent, and efficient power transformation is required.